What's going on YouTube? Noah here, back making a video for y'all today. So, basically what I'm doing now is I'm just about to go into the house. I just came out to make the video and then I'm gonna go back in. I gotta do a couple do some quotes and stuff. Ooh, sorry about that. So what I've been up to, one thing is I've been redoing this thing a little bit. Didn't really do everything I wanted to do, but it's good enough for what I need. I just kind of need to get it back going. So I have that other truck set up already. Yeah, so basically all I did is I doubled up this so I can get focused in there easier. What else did I do? Did that. That's mainly what I did, and then I notched out that. Tried taking some weight off this thing just for my crane's sake. Took a little bit off. So, and there was quite a lot of material there for what I was trying to do with it. So that works out. I didn't really clean everything up the best. Like I said, I'm kind of in a hurry to get this thing done so I can get it back on the truck. I might end up building another skid. We'll see. Probably not in the near future, not right away, but sometime. Like, I really don't like having these all open. I should have capped these out and all that, but like I said, it'll work for what its purpose it's gonna be. So. But yeah, we're gonna put that on, and then I just put some paint on it, just clean it up a little bit, paint all that bottom stuff. So all I got left is to mount the machine and put the bottles back on and jack stands, and we can throw it in the truck. And I am gonna make a mount for that machine, for that to go on the truck. That'll probably be a later video. I gotta pick up a gooseneck for my other piece of the gooseneck for my truck so I can make that mount. Basically, it's gonna be similar to like the design that they, what was the name they used? Similar to the design of Aluma skids, how they lock into the channel, kind of like that. Just kind of my own way of doing it. So I'll let y'all know once I get that. But other than that, kind of got a busy-ish week going on, so that's a good thing. I had to went down to Wilmington today to go look at a job. Actually, one of the quotes I got to do. Hopefully that works out. That'd be a nice little job to get. Probably a good day. I think I'm figuring up about 2 days worth of work down there. I'll probably just stay at a hotel down there because no need for 4 hours of driving when you only get 8 hours of sleep. So that doesn't, well, 8 hours. But anyway, I might just get a hotel down there. Just stay one night, find something like $50 a night or something. I ain't worried about it. But yeah, that's that. I got another job I'm gonna do, I think Friday, probably Friday and Saturday if I can. Gonna be some steel pans. So that shouldn't be too bad at all. I'm trying to think of what else I need to do. But yeah, the biggest thing I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get power on that job. I need to go through and check all my leads to see how much lead I have. I probably have to pick up a little bit more leads, or power cord, one or the other. I could use more of either one, so it really doesn't make a difference to me. I guess see what I have at my parents' house. I may have some power cord over there, so just so that I can get to a decent amount of space, because I gotta go from where I can park my truck inside, and then I gotta go up. So that's one of the times where a dual voltage machine would probably come in handy. I could probably do it off of 110, but I don't have one. So that or my wire feeder is what I'm thinking. Those are the two that I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna be using. So we'll see. We'll see how that ends up. But yeah, just gonna wire feed everything. Yeah. Pretty much it. Yeah, probably later tomorrow when I get back. I got some stuff to do in the morning, and if I get back at a decent time, I'll do that. I need to make some more welding videos. I know I haven't been making any extra, like, it's more just kind of been vlog videos, which I'm sorry, but just kind of how the cookie crumbles right now. I did get the Bombardier on it and driving. That's gonna be fun. I'm gonna make some more videos on that. I might throw that video in this video, or I may go ahead and put that up tonight and put this one up tomorrow. I'll probably end up doing that.
It's just like a 2-minute video of driving it and walking around it. So maybe this weekend, maybe if I have some time, I'll pick that thing up. I want to bring it back over here so I can monkey with it at my house, not have to go to my parents. And a big deal going to my parents, but just with a baby, it's easier not to. But yeah, I think that's about it. I'm trying to think. I think that's about it. Everything else been running good, knock on wood. But yeah, the new truck's running good. I still gotta change the manifold gasket, or the manifold. Actually, I gotta go pick that up. Maybe tomorrow I'll pick that up. I go down to Smithfield to pick it up. No big deal, I just gotta go get down there. Trying to think of what else. But yeah, it works good. Yeah, I know this is kind of a boring video, but yeah, tomorrow I gotta work on a, what do they call those things? The shed movers. One of those shed moval machines. He put a mount on his truck, but he's gotta reinforce it and some other stuff, so that's that. Yeah, so anyway, if that works, that's about all I got for y'all today. So if y'all like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna get some more actual useful comment about business and stuff out. I got a couple of topics. I just gotta kind of finalize them, if that makes sense, in my head, what I want to say about them. So anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later. See ya.